So you're probably thinking about the future of your server infrastructure, right? Well, you are in exactly the right place. Microsoft just dropped its new long-term standard Windows Server 2025. And what we're going to do right now is break down what this means for your IT strategy for like the next decade. So what's on the agenda? First up, we'll get a super clear idea of what Server 2025 actually is. Then we're going to dive into the really cool new features. We'll also clear up the whole servicing channel thing, map out that all-important 10-year support timeline, and finally, we'll talk about how you can actually upgrade. Let's dive right in. All right, first things first, what is Windows Server 2025, really? Because it's way more than just a new version number. It's actually a pretty big deal in terms of Microsoft's server strategy, with a huge focus on long-term stability and, you guessed it, hybrid environments. And this is the real question, isn't it? The one every IT pro is asking. Why should you care about this release? What makes it so different from all the updates that have come before? Okay, here's the key takeaway. Windows Server 2025 is the new long-term servicing channel release, or LTSC. It officially launched on November 1st, 2024, and it is all about one thing: stability. It's designed to be the rock-solid foundation for your most critical systems, with beefed-up security and a design that plays nice with hybrid cloud setups. Now that we know what it is, let's get to the fun part, some of the most exciting new features. This is where we see the tech that's going to shape server performance for years to come. And believe me, there are some absolute game changers in here. This slide really nails the big innovations. First up, and this is huge, is hot patching. You can literally apply security updates without rebooting your server. Think about that. No more late-night maintenance windows. It's a massive win for uptime. Next, storage gets a huge boost, especially for NVMe drives. More on that in a sec. For anyone running modern workloads, Hyper-V now has GPU partitioning. You can take one big, beefy GPU and slice it up for multiple virtual machines. It makes AI and machine learning stuff way more efficient. And of course, Active Directory gets some critical security and management improvements, hardening the very core of your network. Now let's just pause on this for a second, because a 70% improvement in NVMe storage performance, that is not a minor tweak. That is massive. This isn't just a number. It means your databases fly, your apps feel so much snappier, and you can handle way more traffic without hitting that storage bottleneck. This is a big, big deal. All right, to really get where Server 2025 fits in, you've got to understand Microsoft's whole strategy. It all comes down to choosing the right channel for what you need to do, and honestly, this is a super important decision. And this slide just lays it out perfectly. On one side, you have the LTSC, the long-term servicing channel. That's where Server 2025 lives. It's all about stability, with new releases only every few years for your traditional mission-critical servers. On the other side, you've got the annual channel. That's for innovation. It's released every year, and it's for fast-moving stuff like containers and microservices where you always want the latest features. Server 2025 is planted firmly in that stability camp. Okay, now for something that is absolutely critical for any business planning: the support lifecycle. This isn't just some technical detail. This is the roadmap that's going to guide your strategy for a long, long time. So here it is, your roadmap for the next decade. It launched in November 2024, and you get 5 years of mainstream support, which means new features and full support, all the way to October 2029. After that, you get another 5 years of extended support, which is all about security updates, taking you right up to October 2034. That gives you a full 10-year runway. No surprises. You can plan your deployments and future migrations with total confidence. Okay, so you know what it is, you know why it matters. The last big question is, how do you actually get your infrastructure moved over to this new platform? Well, Microsoft gives you two pretty clear paths. First, there's the in-place upgrade. If you're running anything from Windows Server 2012 R2 or newer, you can upgrade directly. This is a great choice for existing systems that are in good shape. The other path is the classic bare metal install, basically a completely clean installation. This is perfect for new hardware, or if you just want that fresh start feeling, leaving all the old baggage behind. And that really brings us to the final and most important question. Windows Server 2025 isn't just another OS. It's a platform designed to last for the next 10 years, with its focus on insane performance, those rebootless updates, and support for modern AI workloads. The real question is a strategic one for you. How are you going to use this new foundation to build an infrastructure that's more powerful, more resilient, and ready for whatever comes next? The next decade of IT starts right now.